What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload a font on Canva. So here, as you can see, I'm on my Canva account right here, and I have the Pro subscription. Now what you want to do to create an account is on the home screen you have a menu on the left here. You have project, templates and brand, and here to access the brand settings and add an account you must be on the Pro plan. So click on brand here, and then you have one option, the brand kit. Click on it. And here you can have all the custom settings like color palettes, fonts, brand voice and stuff like that. So you can add here are the default fonts that are added. To add a font, simply click here on add new. Okay, so you can add a new text style or upload a font. So click on upload font. And here, of course, you should have gone and downloaded a font, or you have a font file. To download a font file is pretty easy. Go ahead on Google and search for fonts. You'll find hundreds of websites that you can view fonts and download fonts from. So here, choose a file. Click on choose a file, and here I've downloaded some fonts here for testing. So let's say here Peter Quincy. Okay, so you have here the font itself, OTF format. Open it, and then here you need to upload your own custom font. Acknowledge that I own this font. Of course, you have to own this font or have ownership or permission from the creator. And then here, upload anyway, and then you'll be able to use this font on your Canva account.